Okay, so we continue on 2.2, which is type of instrumentation that involve hygiene technician. Okay, basically there are two types of instrumentation involved, which is direct sampling and integrated sampling. Below the integrated sampling, we have active and passive type. So we will go through on this later on. Okay, this is the basic principle of direct reading and integrated sampling device. Direct reading, or widely known as real-time sampling, which when we use this type of sampling device, it provides immediate or very fast feedback in terms of the sample results. Once the sampling probe is placed in the air to test it, the instrument will give a response within a few seconds or minutes. For examples, the use of an oxygemeter to check the atmosphere inside a confined space. Okay, means that when you are dealing with the direct reading, you bring your instrument to the site, you put your instrument in the monitoring places, and then you will get the reading at the same time. Okay, that is the direct reading sampling. But for the integrated sampling, the sample are taken by drawing air through or across collector, which is sampling medium, for example, media filter or sorbent tube. Whether you want to use media filter or sorbent tube, it depends on the nature of the contaminant that you are facing. For example, if you are dealing with the particulate, you will use a media filter. But if you are dealing with the gas or vapor, you will use sorbent tube as a medium. And then after you do monitoring or sampling, you will take your medium to the laboratory for the analysis. It means in integrated sampling, you cannot get the reading at the same time. It's different regarding the direct reading, which you will get the reading or results within the period of you are sampling. Okay, in the integrated sampling, you have active and passive sampling. In active, you will need several instruments. First, for example, you will need personal sampling pump. Second, you will need media filter, which is filter or sorbent tubes. Third, connector tubing, usually silicone tube. And four, sampling pump, which is widely used for area sampling at fixed position. The difference between personal sampling pump is a pump. This personal sampling pump is put to the workers. You already watched the video, right? So that is the personal sampling pump. But for sampling pump, or we call it as area sampling pump, is a pump that we put or place it into the monitoring area. Just pump itself and media. And it is quite big as compared to the personal sampling pump. Okay, for passive, you will have media filter, for example, impinge bottle or sample badges. Okay, you can Google it. How does it looks on impinge bottle or sample badges? And both of these instruments, you need to take the sampler or medium to the laboratory for analysis. This is on the integrated, different from the direct reading. Okay, that's it on 2.2. I will continue on 2.3 on the next video.